Okay, here's a really cool trailer. This is a 2019 Summit 40 TLFD. It's one of our best-selling units over the years, and we've sold dozens of these, dozens and dozens. Summit 40 TLFD. This one's gray with white shutters, white windows, and white trim. Best seller, says right on the door. MSRP just shy of $57,000. It's a triple axle, 14.5 foot tall unit with the house type rear entry door, light gray siding, white windows, white trim, white shutters. You would also put white skirting on here and it would be very good looking. Nice box bay. Gives it all the 400 square foot of available footage. That's all you get in a park model. Certified by the rvlife. So heading on inside, this is unit number 5588, and it's a Summit 40 TLFD. It's got sleeping on that sofa. Got a sleeper sofa there. You got a pull across door so the front sleeper sofa can have some privacy. Computer desk, guest closet, light fixture that goes over the kitchen table is in the closet. Guest closet, coat closet, ceiling fan in the den. Why does that flip? Okay, and ceiling fan in the living room. Entertainment center. Bench seating at the box bay with storage underneath. Lots of nice cabinetry. Nice hutch. A lot of nice drawers, doors. 30-inch 5-burner range, 30-inch microwave, laminate countertop, plank wood on the entire main floor. Here's another pantry, closet. House type rear entry. You step down into the master bedroom. That maximizes your space in the rear loft. You've got mirrored wardrobe, drawers, storage under the stairs, end table and lamp. Everything in them stays in them. Drapes, furniture. There's the rear loft. That's going to measure in at about 5 feet, right at 5. Up here is going to measure in right at 44 inches. And down the stairs we go. It's a great floor plan. Got a big bathroom with the linen closet in it. Tub shower combo. Okay, I got the door open. Let's see if we can look in there. Oh yeah, you can see the tub and shower, medicine cabinet, sink. Behind the shower, that is the linen area. And then, of course, there's the all-important commode. Linoleum in there also. Plank wood flooring, just like that's out here. Okay, that'll be concluding our tour of my 2019 Summit 40 TLFD. And we've literally sold dozens of these over the years. MSRP just shy of 58,000, I believe I said. Just shy of 57,000. Well, have a great day. Come and see me. Call Kelly at 815-849-9089 with any questions. We're going to go look at another trailer.